Hi, my name's Simon from Motordrome. Excuse me. Now today we're going to take a walk around and a drive off this Defender 90 300 TDI that's just fresh from restoration and looking fantastic. Two videos, one walk around, one driving, plus a bit of starting and idling action at the beginning of the driving video. Hope you like them. Okay, quick video of start up and idling on this Defender 90 300 TDI. All light and ignition light come up as they should. And starts straight away without loads of smoke out the back. Settles down to a nice idle. Now we'll show you under the bonnet. Okay, 300 TDI engine just doing what it should. No funny noises, no funny smells. Just chugging away. Next up, driving. Okay, so here we are out driving in this 300 TDI, showing just under 200,000 miles, but still performing like a train. In fairness, the drivetrain has been refurbished, and driving just the way a rebuilt Defender should. Is very, very rattle free. Just gets on with the job. No signs of any overheating or anything, although it's fair to say the temperature gauge, as you may be able to see, isn't moving a great deal. But stops nicely. It's got new brakes on it. Gearbox is nice. No synchro issues, and if I lift my foot off the throttle sharply, there's no backlash whatsoever in the transmission, as you'd expect, having just been refurbished. Some tyre noise because they are big mud terrain tyres, so that's normal. Look at the turbo whistling there. But rides the way it should. There's no sinister noises. Steering wheel is a couple of degrees off centre. That's about the only criticism I can level against it. Just nips along just the way it should. Nice to have the roof off and the door tops, but it's a bit too cold for that at the moment. Incidentally, the heater does work. Yeah. And does blow warm air. Well, the temperature gauge is moving slightly now. These 300 TDIs always take a while to warm up. Over the big bump in a minute. There we go. Slightly squeaky clutch pedal, but it's not uncommon. So stops nicely, pulls up cleanly. All new brakes on it, as I say. So I think there we have it. Pretty good.